I want to give you guys a bit of a sneak peek of what happens at FALCONOATH Performance all the way up in Ararat in Victoria. So I went for a 2-hour road trip today with my mate Pat to check out all the things that happen in their new shed. So they do dyno tuning, engine building, custom fabrication. They've got some really cool cars. Let's go check it out. One of the main reasons I went is to check out their giveaway FG XR6 Turbo Falcon, which at the time of shooting this video, they're giving it away this Wednesday night. All you've got to do is buy a sticker pack and you're in the draw to win it. So this car is heavily modified, auto house custom interior, FALCONOATH built motor, big injectors, upgraded turbo. This thing is going to make around 400 at the wheels. So FALCONOATH does a range of different cars, from drift cars, drag cars, old school cruisers. They've recently got a hub dyno as well, so very popular when it comes to tuning. And they're also heavily into the drift scene. So Rob, the owner of FALCONOATH, has some really cool cars. Let's go check them out. The first car he's showed us is this heavily modified BF F6, which has a massive turbo, NOS, built motor, all the goodies. This car's made over 700 kilowatt the wheels and has potential for more. Absolutely stunning car in the bionic blue and pretty rare to see in an F6 as well. They also have this slammed AU Fairmont with a turbo intake motor, soon to be a drift car. So let's take a better look at this XR6 Turbo that they're giving away. White is such a clean color for the FGs, and it's paired awesome with this auto house custom interior. It features a set of 20-inch Luxpack wheels from D&K Wheels and Tires, which absolutely set this car off. It's got a JMC performance manifold on it. The car's yet to be dyno tuned, but he reckons it's going to be over 400 kilowatt easily. And if whoever wins it wants even more power, all it needs is bigger injectors and a surge tank, and it'll be around 500 kilowatt. So yeah, head over to the FALCONOATH website if you want to win this car. I think at the time of shooting this video, there's only 300-ish people in the draw, so extremely high chances of winning, as this is his first ever giveaway. So let's go take a look at Rob's personal drift car. So he's got an EL with a Barra engine in it, featuring his twin throttle body manifold. This car makes 220 kilowatts to the wheels, completely naturally aspirated. It's got a Haltech. He's also built this epic BA Falcon drift ute with full cage, makes around 360 kilowatt, custom wrap, screamer out the bonnet. Nothing but smiles when driving this beast. It's also got a custom fuel cell in the back. Rob gave us a full tour of the workshop. They've done heaps of amazing, unique builds, such as this Barra swapped Holden Rodeo. Rob's daily car is a Ford Ranger, which is also Barra swapped and turbocharged, running around 300 real kilowatt. He took me for a spin around the block, which was heaps of fun. They do work on Barra swap patrols, and they're also working on this awesome AU Supercab ute, which features a fat 325 tire on the back and is having a ZF 8-speed gearbox fitted to an Intech turbo engine. It's quite a bit of work, but it's going to be epic when it's finished. An absolute sleeper. They've also got a Ford Mustang, and one of their long-term projects is this old Falcon wagon that's also barrel swapped with a ZF 6-speed transmission, and the car's going to be fully engineered, featuring the original patina. So check out Rob's page if you haven't already, FALCONOATH Performance, link will be in the description below. And if you want to get into the draw to win that white FG XR6 Turbo, jump in and get a sticker pack, because entries are closing very soon. It's going to be drawn this Wednesday. It's got nothing to do with my giveaways. I just went up there to check out his shop, and I thought might as well do a quick video for him, so here we are.